Pepe coin is down 20%. Bitcoin is crashing down to $65,000. What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day and welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Omar Khan, and today we're taking a look at what's going on with Pepe coin. Is this the end of Pepe coin? Should you buy up a bag of Pepe coin? What's going on with Pepe and Coinbase launching the perpendicular trading? There's so many things we gotta cover here in this video, but before we start, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously. Now let's take a look at what's going on with Pepe. I'm sorry, in my last video my camera's all messed up. If you watch the Bitcoin video, I wasn't here in this little circle over here, but hey, we got to fix now. All right, let's take a look at what's going on with Pepe. First of all, Pepe is still trending in the top 10. It's trending number 7. It's down 35% in the past month, 12% on the day, and 20% on the 24-hour. Now, I understand why this would cause a lot of panic if we were in the stock market, but we're not. We're in the crypto market, guys. At one point, we had a 170% day on Pepe. Obviously, we're going to see a 20% dip. The second I saw Bitcoin start dumping earlier today, I anticipated this was going to happen with Bitcoin, with all meme coins as well, including Pepe, because people are going to panic sell. But if anything, you guys watching this video right now are super lucky because now you could buy in at the low. You can get 30% discount. This is Black Friday all over again. Overall, guys, look, in the past year, we're still up, what, 10,000%? Like this compared to just a couple weeks ago in February. Look at the price difference between now and February. It's absolutely insane. It's like people forget sometimes how much we've grown just from February till now, which is absolutely insane. Yeah, I know in the month we're down about 30%. On the day we're down about 20%, but this is just a correction along the way because we have some bullish news for Pepe. Let's actually go ahead and take a look. So from Pepe's Twitter, the source, we're adding support of Pepe perpendicular futures on Coinbase Advance. The operating 1000 PERP markets will begin on or after 9 p.m. on April 18th. This is pretty bullish, adding another way you could be trading everyone's favorite Pepe coin, right? And Coinbase Trader posts as well. Again, Coinbase being one of the largest exchanges in the world, it's great. We're getting Pepe attention, right? Also talking about Pepe's attention, even the news is talking about Pepe again. These are all things that make you bullish for a cryptocurrency when the mainstream starts talking about a coin, right? When innovation is taking place, again, because Pepe has been an innovative coin throughout the bull market. It literally launched during the bear market and held the market by storm. It held trending for, I believe, 8 weeks, trending number 1. Now it's trading at number 7. It's been in the top 10 spot the entire beginning of the bull market so far. It's absolutely insane. Pepe is going to be the biggest meme coin this bull season, potentially even the biggest meme coin ever, and it will become eventually a top 3 meme coin, trading at right under Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. So mark my words. Talking about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, if you're into the Doge themed dogs and you like getting into price early and you like making money, let's talk about Dogeverse for a second. The world's first traveling chain Doge. This is launching very soon, guys. They already raised $3.2 million, and in 1 day, in 6 hours, the price is going to rise. Buy now before the price rises. Get into super low pre-sale prices, guys. This is a multi-chain Dogecoin where you can buy and claim Dogeverse on any of these following chains: ETH, BNB, Polygon, AVAX, Solana, and Base. Again, Solana and Base being like the 2 most popular meme coin chains this bull run, right? Not only that, but they also have staking as well, so you could earn money on your actual Dogeverse. So not only are you gonna buy at a super low price, but you could stake and earn even more. And it's a range APY, so it's a dynamic range APY, so it's going to be changing over time. But right now the APY is 310%. You're not gonna want to miss out on this steal of a deal. The Dogeverse token will be launched on all of these different chains utilizing superior bridge technology. Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. With low gas fees, the Cosmos is making the Doge culture multi-chain. You take the multi-chain with the staking, with the tokenomics. This is a solid project you gotta take a look at. Now, let's go back to Pepe. Pepe coin spikes on Coinbase International plans to list perpendicular futures. The crypto exchange offshore aims to open perpendicular markets for the popular meme coin on April 18th. Popular meme coin Pepe jumped on the news that Coinbase International Exchange, the US-based crypto exchange offshore arm for the institution, will open a perpendicular futures market for the token next week. The exchange said this on an X post that it will list perps on Coinbase International Exchange and Coinbase Advance and commerce trading on or after 9:30 a.m. UTC on April 18th. The news sparked hopes among traders that it could foreshadow a potential spot listing for the fourth largest meme coin, boasting a $3 billion market cap. Right, this is pretty bullish. Now we are anticipating that this is going to help pump the price of Pepe a little bit, which unfortunately didn't. We instead got a little bit of dump followed by Bitcoin's dump, but that's totally fine. In the long term, it won't matter. This is super big for Pepe. Pepe coin price set for 54% rally from popular analysts. Martinez forecast indicating the potential for a significant rally. Investors are closely monitoring Pepe coin's performance. Moreover, identifies a price range from here to here, serves as a critical threshold according to analysts. Furthermore, he suggests a daily close outside this range could be extremely bullish for Pepe coin. Again, the whole world is bullish for our frog themed legend. Yes, legend that Pepe coin has become. Like always, guys, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But again, I'm very bullish for Pepe. This might be a time to load up the bag while you're getting it at a low price. And also, make sure you check out Doge first. I'm going to link that in the description below as well. Like always, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And that wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.